Hindi ko talaga masisi kung bakit some traders preferred nila yung pag-trade ng Forex kasi Forex market is a 7 trillion market cap pero cryptocurrency market is just 2.98 trillion. But still, not bad dahil malaki-laki pa rin ito compared doon sa mga previous cycle natin. And I believe cryptocurrency is the future and makikita natin yun with the institution. So I just want you to imagine guys kung especially kung bago ka pa lang ngayon with the cryptocurrency market and you are thinking na baka mamaya huli ka na sa ride sa cryptocurrency market and parang tingin mo mahal na yung mga prices and etc. etc. But the point here is kung compare mo to sa institutional market like Forex market, that is a very mature market that's 7 trillion compared sa cryptocurrency market which is currently 2.98. Kaya if you're thinking na baka huli ka na, these numbers speaks volume, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka pa huli, the market still young, bata pa rin ang market, and the best thing about that is maraming setups na lumalabas and that can be also an advantage for you. Baka may mahanap ka ng mga trading setups that will fit to your personality or trading profile.